Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what I want to show you is how you're going to use dotstorm. So what's going to happen is you're going to click on the link that was provided, and when you do, it's going to take you to this page. So in order to post something, you want to go over here and you're going to click add a card. And then you're going to type your thoughts. So I'm just going to put in that this is a test card. Okay, and then you go down here and you click add. And once it's added, you will see that there are these little dots that appear. What I've done is I've enabled it so that you can vote up to 3 times. So you'll read all the different cards that come in, and then you'll cast your vote. So in order to cast a vote, you just click on the dot. And then once the dot's been clicked on, another one will populate so someone else can. And that's all you have to do. So that's how you do a dot storm. You just follow the link, you add the card, remember add the card, you type in your answer, you go down and click add, and then when you're ready to vote, you hit vote. If you like what the person's saying and you want to comment, you can click down here and you can write nice test, right, and post it. Sorry. I did too many of them, so we'll do another one. And then you're going to go through and you're going to see that that's done. And once you hit end, you're going to see that there are 2 comments there. Okay? So that's how you would do that.